Okay, this unboxing is kind of going to be a 2-for-1 because I bought multiples of these for some reason. I don't know if they're for the different models of keyboard, the chiclet or the improved keyboard, or if they use the same. This one is just in a nondescript small box. PCjr keyboard cable. Appears to be sealed. Very well, there we go. It has your proprietary on one end and the phone cable on the other. So let's see if the other one is the same thing or not. This one's like actually sealed. Plastic wrap. We probably should go ahead and read the fine print on here. Made in the USA, permits operation without batteries and more than one in the same immediate area. Of course, IBM and Boca Raton. Let's see what's in here. Yes, there we go, noisy. Ew. Some kind of goo on it. More or less appears to be the same cable though, just older and gross. This does come with a book. There's not really much to the book. I mean, it says plug me into this and plug me into that, right? Okay, well, time for me to wash up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.